Hi, I am Kim with Cruises Plus Travel. We are here in the port of Civitavecchia today. We're getting ready to go on we're going to actually go on the brand new Norwegian Luna. We're going to do a transatlantic. It's her inaugural sailing. We sail here in a couple of days, but we wanted to do some video here from the port so that you could see some of your options that you have when you're sailing out of Civitavecchia, which is the port for Rome. So we are here. We're staying at the Hotel Mediterraneo. And
about 0.3 miles from the port.
Yes, you hear my husband in the background. You guys know Tim. So we would love if you would like and subscribe to our videos for us. That helps us a lot. And then also, if you are interested in cruising or any type of travel, we would be thrilled if you would consider us to be your travel agent. We have all kinds of great recommendations and things, little tips and tricks and insider knowledge for you. So give us a call, 407-710-1942. We can just chat, brainstorm, and come up with ideas together. So, okay, back to the hotel. We're at Hotel Mediterraneo, and we are on the second floor. So the elevator is here, and we wanted to walk you down the hallway, kind of show you the thing, how we get in our room. So,
and the location of the hotel is right on the water.
Yes, so we're going to have a view of the water. We'll show you that in another video because it's dark out now. We just got here. We flew in from London today. So this is our room, 227. You have an actual key, and they give it to you on this big thing so you don't lose it. Come on in. So right now, it is March, so it's winter still. So they do not have air conditioning in the hotel right now. It's turned off through the whole city, so none of the hotels here are going to have air. So you'll see we have our window open because it's a little toasty in the room.
And they have the heat on.
Yeah. So if you come on in, while it's not our typical traditional type of hotel room that we normally have, I think it's more than adequate, especially for the price that we paid. It was a very reasonable price. You have a king-size bed, which number one in Europe, that's a pretty big deal. That's kind of hard to find. We have a nice TV over here, and then you'll see, we're going to bring you over.
We pulled the nightstand so you could have a little better visual.
They do have their European outlets, of course, because we're in Europe. So we have one of our extensions in right here so that we can convert to use all of our
Over
electronics.
Here, I did the same thing, so I'll show you real quick and I can get back to it.
This room does have a ceiling fan. That's another thing that you don't always have. And then it's going to be hard to see tonight, but we're right here on the main strip, right across from the water. So tomorrow when we bring you over here and show you during the daylight, you're going to see that that is the Mediterranean out there. I'm really excited. It looks like there's a ship.
It does look like it.
Yeah. So as Tim pointed out, there are two outlets. You just have to bring your converters in order to be able to use it for American.
No USBs.
Yes.
So if you have a converter, try to get one with a USB. We have some on our leadingtravelproducts.com that have that. So those are very useful.
And then you will see there's a little mini fridge here. You've got a couple shelves, you've got some extra blankets, and you've got a couple extra pillows, which is nice. Your closet space. They do have a really nice full-length mirror. Okay, now, this is going to be a little bit of the challenge. So the bathroom is tiny, but it's adequate. So the showers, the shower's a great size. Let's see if we can fit in here.
I'll do it.
Okay. So I wanted to show you, we have a couple of these different options for our outlets. This one does not retract. This one's kind of nice. This is a kind of our upgraded version that we like.
Favorite.
Yes. This one does have a USB and a USB-C on it, so that makes it nice. This one has
more of a universal.
USB. I don't see USB-C. Oh yeah, it does. On one side is the C and on the bottoms are the USB. And then you kind of pick which one works for you.
Yeah.
So
universal, 3 different types. So like we were in London the last 2 days, we could use that where if you have a traditional one, it's not going to work in London and in Europe.
Right. So that gives you all your different options in one, and that makes it great in the bathroom. So you can see we do have a bidet and you have a toilet. These actually, Tim thought they were tablecloths. That's for your bidet.
Yeah.
And then behind the door here, I'm going to step out and let Tim show you the shower. So it's large. It's older, but hey, you're in Rome, so you get ready to go on a cruise, and it works.
As you can see, as I back up here, I mean, it's a good 5 feet
Plenty of space.
left to right and probably 3 feet. So, I mean, it's going to be sufficient for what we're doing here for a couple of days while we're experiencing the port. So,
All right. So again, this is called the Hotel Mediterraneo, and you've got lots of great dining options. We'll walk you down the strip a little bit in another video. So
they have a neighbor hotel.
They do.
Just across the street
Yep.
also.
We'll put that in our video when we go out and you see everything during the daylight. So there's several options up and down the street. There's lots of hotels here. So again, my name is Kim. We are Cruises Plus Travel. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it, especially if you made it all the way here to the end. We're going to have lots of other good videos for you to see about the port. So make sure you check back and watch those other videos too. Our number again is 407-710-1942. We would love to help you plan your vacation. Also, you can see our website at www.cruisesplustravel.com. We are a Cruise Planners franchise. We've got lots of great deals on cruises and all different types of travel, not just cruises itself. We'd love to help you. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.